Osinogini, Onye be eating your brother money. Now, query, why you guys no go school, sir? See how you are fighting with English, Opo. Hey, boss lady, afugongi. English, you got wine. Akreta piakwa ganya. Okwa ifi ikuchi eba. Or ya be English, konwozo. First of all, obula brother money. Brother's money. There is a thing as possessive pronoun. It is used to indicate ownership. And etinye x at the end. Iji gosi no brother nwe Diego. And then idesi a sentence itinye full stop. Amani ukusigo. Imana asi no nwata kwuo kwa amaka uchiara. Ibia ewu nana. Mana ekpaligo onwe nnem. Oh, if you are that educated enough, if you are intelligent enough, you should know that English language or any language at all is simply a medium of communication. The level of proficiency in English is not tantamount to the level of reasoning or IQ. That need the fluent na any language doesn't mean name or common name with common sense adlo common. Ene gumu profile piece ganya nene siya nnemo oblo na nna balegi mana ediloko eje Harvard ediloko ye mu ifa na akọ afu mu shop nwa ebe na akwa nne efe enye de italalu iri julu afọ nene kuzi appearance ge imwachusi iruka ku ozu emembam na mortuary borom ebi na ete makeup jenenenu kede bifi na agwa m okwu. English is simply a medium of communication. No more, no less. Abumotu, oya menja suotu. There is a thing as culture, and it varies diversely. Ndocha we ndine enwe njirimara. Onwe ife eji amande. Ndocha we English, anyone we Igbo. I go the cap Igbo give you because I'm an Igbo, and I'm an Igbo man. Eben sibia. And that is not to say that I cannot express myself in English. Iwalisia, icho, onye obuna emo mo nwanne gi mo ginwa mbe onwe inolo olu. Cho onye obuna emo in English. Ka etinye 1 million amamu onwezikwa ndị bụ unu nwe 1 million. Ka mbuda tia to 200,000 ebe aka ihe eru ya. Cho onye obuna emo in English. Ya bia ka etinye 200,000. Ogam na cognitive skill. Mobu grammatical expression, mobu na the use of syntax, mobu na kefe me nwe 80, onwe 60, ya ego. Like onwe 40, onwe 60, origom, ma gia times 2. Icho iju es oblo say them say, ebi eba mana ya na afili si ile, kiti kwa buo idea.